Hello my dear health seekers, Inge from Health Origins here. So today I'm going to be giving you a quick and hopefully helpful tip to do with ginger. I want to get more ginger in our diets. We put it in smoothies, we put it in foods, different stir fries and stews. I think it's a great and it's a very helpful ingredient. So I'll show you what I do to include this in our dishes in the easiest way possible, because it can be a bit of a chore to having to peel this, and if you leave this in the fridge for too long it starts getting kind of wilty and old and moldy perhaps. So I'll show you how do I prepare it and make it easy to incorporate. So let's begin. What you're gonna need is obviously your ginger, some kind of bowl to put the peelings in, a chopping board, a teaspoon or a spoon, a knife, a little plain, but not for now. This is for using once the ginger is actually frozen. Because what we're going to do, we're going to peel the ginger. Chop it into the sizes we're gonna use, so use it for recipes or to put in a smoothie, and we're gonna freeze it. Okay, also you could wrap individual pieces into cling film if that's how you want to go, and then just take individual. But I don't want to use cling film, trying to avoid one-use plastic, so I'm just using a Tupperware box to freeze them all together, and then I just pick the piece I need. And once they're frozen, it's so easy to basically use it by grating it into any recipe, or if it's a smoothie, you just chuck the whole frozen bit in and it'll just get blended up. So to peel it, the best way is to separate it into bits that have the least amount of angles. So this is pretty good. So what you need to do then, you just take your teaspoon and kind of peel or scrape the skin off, and you just continue until all the skin is gone. And it's better than using a knife, because you taking off the least amount of ginger, you just taking the actual skin off. You're applying a little bit of pressure but not too much, and for any bits that are not nice, just cut them off using your knife so that it's nice and fresh ginger here. So I'm gonna peel the rest of it, and I've got a bowl of water here, so if your ginger is a little bit dirty after peeling, I'm gonna give it a rinse. Right, so I'm pretty happy with this piece of ginger now. It's got a few spots of dirt, so I'm just gonna give it a quick rinse. And now it's ready to be chopped up into the pieces that I'm going to use. So obviously choose the kind of size of ginger pieces you normally use in recipes. So I think this is kind of good size chunks for me. So you just chop them up and put into your Tupperware box, and it's ready to freeze. Basically that's as simple as it is, and I'm going to continue with the rest of it. So there you have it. This is my quick and easy way to prepare a whole lot of ginger, and like I said, you freeze this now, sorry, I've finished my frozen, so I would have shown you how to, you know, how does it look like, and you know how you easily grate this. But basically, once it's frozen, you just grate this into any recipe that you would need a fresh ginger, because that's all you would do. You would just grate a fresh ginger, and actually once it's frozen, it grates even better. Or if you're putting it in the smoothie, you just chuck this in and it's done. So I've prepared enough ginger here to last us about a week and a half to 2 weeks. So that's great, you know. So I've saved myself about 5 minutes every time I prepare a dish, you know, and it probably took me about 5 to 7 minutes to get it all done, maybe 10 minutes all together, but that way I'll be more inclined to reach for that ginger and use it in my recipes. So there you go, guys. If you like this tip and you'd like more of tips and hacks of how to make preparation quicker, easier in the kitchen, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Subscribe for more videos, guys, and until the next time.